¿qué sensaciones tenés de cara a esta pelea?
Es una motivación, el cual le agradezco a Gervonta Davis la oportunidad, a su equipo de trabajo, a Showtime, a mi empresa Manny Pacquiao, a Sean Gibbons, por esa gran oportunidad y vengo a dejarlo todo.
I'm absolutely motivated, and I've come here to give my all. I want to thank Gervonta for giving me this opportunity, as well as Showtime, Manny Pacquiao Promotions, and my promoter Sean Gibbons as well. And we are going to be absolutely ready to give our all on Sunday night. Go ahead, Castor.
Thank you, Isak. And now the champion, unbeaten. He's knocked out 16 straight fighters. 3-division world champion. He's known as Tank, Gervonta Davis.
I really don't got to say, I'm not really here to say much. I just want to say thank you to everybody that came out today. Thank you to, Showtime, Al Heyman and his team, Mayweather Promotions, my personal team. Another big night, this is my first time fighting on Sunday, so I'm definitely looking forward to it, so I'm definitely, ready to put on a great performance, so see y'all Sunday.
Gentlemen, let's talk about the fight. Tank, I'll start with you. It's probably the first time in a long time you're fighting a guy who is shorter than you are. What challenges does that present, considering not only is he shorter, but he's coming with aggression and he's coming with some pop?
I mean, I think fighting shorter guys is a little tougher than, suppose fighting guys that's taller, because you gotta punch down, you gotta see where they at, so I'm definitely coming with my top game and things like that, so we'll just see Sunday.
Isak, tell the people why you're the man that will finally dethrone Tank Davis and give him his first defeat.
Porque tengo un sueño de pequeño y ese sueño es ser campeón del mundo, para darle un nuevo campeón también a México y sobre todo el hambre y la motivación que tengo para sacar adelante a mi esposa y a mi hijo.
I'm hungry, more motivated than ever to give a great future to my wife and my kid. This is my dream since I was a little kid myself. So I am here to make that dream come true, and I'm going to give my all to make it happen.
Tank, you're fighting a guy who's hungry, but you're also fighting a guy who, told the boxing public, quote, Tank Davis has never fought anyone with the aggression and the power I bring. What's your response to that?
We just gotta wait and see. You know what I mean? I can't really say too much. I can't say what I'm gonna do to him or anything like that till I get in the ring with him. So we just gotta wait and see what he bring that night, and then it's different when people get hit in the face.
Isak, you've certainly knocked out a lot of the opponents. It seems as when you have faced boxers, they've given you some problems and your fights have gone the distance. What if Tank Davis comes out and boxes you? Will that be an issue?
Bueno, vos tenés una presión noqueador, pero si la pelea se prolonga, eso tiende a darte problemas. Si Gervonta llega a pelear contra vos en una pelea extensa, ¿crees que eso va a ser un inconveniente para vos?
No, de ninguna manera, porque por eso me preparé y dejé todo en el campamento para llegar a dar un buen espectáculo.
Absolutely not. My training camp has been all about endurance, and I'm fully prepared to give a great show for the fans and everybody tuning in on TV as well on Sunday night.
Lastly, Isak, you had said earlier that Tank has never fought anyone with your kind of power, aggression. His response is as people say that all the time until they get hit by a Tank punch, and then things are different. Why will they be different on Sunday?
Bueno, vos querés ser agresivo, vos querés salir a encarar a Gervonta. Gervonta dice, sí, todos dicen eso hasta que los atropella y ahí es todo distinto. ¿Por qué vos vas a ser distinto y le vas a causar problemas a él?
Pues porque como ya lo mencioné, no he enfrentado igual a un peleador con mis características, con el hambre que yo tengo de ser campeón del mundo.
Well, it's simple. And I've said before, and I'll say it again. He has never faced anybody that fights like him before. And my hunger, my will to win is unparalleled. And he's going to feel it on Sunday night.
Tank, your response.
We'll see Sunday.
We'll wrap it up with this, guys. Isak, for the people watching who are going to pay their hard money for pay-per-view to watch you fight, people paying hard money to come to the Staples Center here in Los Angeles to come see you in person, what can you guarantee them on Sunday, December 5th?
La gente paga mucho dinero para comprar su pay-per-view, para venir a verte acá al Staples Center a pelear. ¿Qué es lo que les puede garantizar a ellos que les vas a dar un domingo por la noche para que esa inversión valga la pena?
Una gran pelea, que la gente que lo vea en el Staples Center o en la tele esté más que emocionada y yo vengo a dar una gran pelea.
I guarantee a great fight. I guarantee excitement. I want them to be excited regardless of whether they tune in on pay-per-view or they're here at the Staples Center. What I want to do is put on a great show so they can go home happy.
Same question, champ. For the people paying their hard-earned money for this pay-per-view, coming out to Staples Center, they want to see a show. What can you guarantee?
Just a big event, you know, a silent fight, you know, it's a Cruz coming forward, you know, and I'm coming forward, so, you know, when you get that type of fighters, you know, you get I want to say big crash. So, see y'all Sunday.
Andrew, let Floyd. Can you tip up the tape? Get the tape up.
I like to play let me play the background.
Oh, shit.
Hey, Kelly, here's room if he wants to come around.
No. Speaker on there.
Up to you.
There we go.
Hey. All right. No, that's just